fish kill pile is low. Can you order some patrols for hunting, White Wing?
Sure. Hey, doesn't it feel like the grass is really damp, though? I mean, it hasn't been raining. Uh-oh, I think I jinxed it.
Get the kids and elders and all the weak or injured cats. There's a flood. Oh, gather the kids and let's get out on the floor. Let's go and save them, come and give me some more. Watch me get physical out of the can. There's cats helping me, I never miss a step. In the night, keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Gather around, you won't stop, cause it make you laugh. Oh, oh, evacuate thunderclap. I'm infected by the rain. Hey, J Feather, can you look at this huge cut? Oh, oh, evacuate thunderclan.
I'm infected by the rain.
Hey, Dr. DJ, can you look at this huge cut? My body's aching, so remove the cuts. Temperature's dropping on the basketball. Watch me get intoxicated, taking the marigolds. It got me hypnotized, if you can't step aside. In the night, keep it tight, cause it's pulling you in. Gather and you won't stop, cause it make you laugh. Now guess who's back with Wind Clan? We got every cat in the clan going bad. So everybody in the cat jump up and run away. Keep calm and follow us. Let me see those kids now. Run, run, run!